STEPN is a low-positioned coin with the ticker GMT that has a current worth of $0.151610 and a market capitalization of $180,692,140 Digital currencies have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate. Some huge venture banks even secure STEPN and other digital forms of money all at once to safeguard their resources under administration, against the running expansion that injures the customary monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the GMT market that depend on the readings of our novel crypto unpredictability record that assists us with checking the market feeling and expect where in which the market means to go. At this point, the cost of STEPN is $0.151610, while the coin presently winds up at 93rd spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On September 25, the cost of STEPN was at $0.149333 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 0.30%. A week prior, on September 19, GMT was esteemed at $0.155296 and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has varied by 0%. A month prior, on August 26, the market member laid out the cost of STEPN at $0.164891. Subsequently, the coin has made an 8.05% move to arrive at its current standings. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of STEPN isn't the main variable that we consider while making the cost forecast. It means a lot to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have an unmistakable perspective on where the market is going. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization, positive or negative, are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long-haul points of view. This specific measurement is likewise used to check the strength of STEPN, according to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of GMT, we increase the circling supply, the boundary that will be made sense of later, by the current worth of the digital money under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of STEPN remains at $180,692,140, which shapes the reason for present positioning was referenced before. Yesterday, on September 25, GMT had a market capitalization of $177,839,159. Last week, on September 19, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $184,595,792. A month prior, on August 26, the market worth of STEPN was evaluated to be $181,173,905. Total supply considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This measurement additionally figures the coins that have been deliberately transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the absolute stock of STEPN is laid out at 5,409,986,279 GMT. Lastly, the coursing supply is utilized to compute the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It indicates the general measure of GMT that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for long-haul venture since they are probably going to see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, STEPN has a coursing supply of 191,819,589 coins. Ideally, this clarification will help crypto financial backers in their endeavors to find the digital forms of money that will turn into an important expansion to portfolios and add to the development of their total assets in years to come. Kindly give specific consideration to the resources with the flattening highlight, as they have demonstrated to be more unsurprising and, in particular, productive over the long haul. In any case, that isn't the last metric that we consider while drawing the STEPN cost expectation for the close-term future. Exchanging volume is something that all digital money merchants are intensely dependent on while investigating the market and attempting to figure the cost development. This specific term shows the quantity of units executed among purchasers and merchants, as well as the other way around throughout a specific time period. The raised exchanging volume as a rule focuses to the expanded revenue in GMT or other digital money and frequently gives solid affirmation of the expectations of market members. For example, crypto examiners will generally abstain from exchanging breakouts that aren't occurring on the background of developing exchanging volume, since it flags that the market mightn't have sufficient solidarity to go beyond a specific obstruction level. A similar rule is applied while assessing the strength of the pattern or spotting pattern inversions. Assuming you are a functioning digital currency merchant, you should routinely look at the current exchanging volume on the STEPN market with the readings of the crypto unpredictability record to try not to be tricked into fake-outs and other underhanded market moves that are of incessant event on the digital money market. Likewise, high exchanging volume for the most part grandstands that the liquidity is streaming into that market, which shows the general revenue in the digital currencies and guarantees smooth execution of exchanges. Nonetheless, it should be noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that much reasonable for making long-haul cost expectations. However, it as a rule gives significant knowledge into the ongoing business sector circumstance, subsequently is vital for short and mid-term cost estimates did by our exclusive calculation. A savvy cryptographic money financial backer mustn't ignore this metric while picking passage or leave point. The guideline here is to get into the activity when the volume begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the combination region, and forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after an impressive convention. It's far and away superior assuming those cost shifts occur in the areas that harmonize with generally high volume, which are normally shown through tall bars on the relating pointer that is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals. Taking care of that, how about we survey the exchanging volume recorded on the STEPN market throughout the accompanying time periods. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with GMT